Okay. Today topic is
why do we get hiccups? Topic human nose. Why do we get hiccups? Easy peasy. We get them when we remember our friends. Anna! We get hiccups because of our nose.
Yes.
Between our stomach and lungs, there is a dome-shaped muscle known as diaphragm. Diaphragm helps us in breathing, thus reaching the air to the lungs. Now, the reason for getting hiccups is eating too much. Now, when we eat too much or too quickly, our stomach begins to expand. Like this, the diaphragm is always in the between. So, it starts to get pressed against the stomach. It happens in a jerky way. Sometimes when we inhale the air, it rushes through the voice box, closing it suddenly. This may lead to the sound known as a hiccup.